सर्वसिद्धिप्रदे
सर्वसिद्धिप्रदे सर्वसिद्धिप्रदे
सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे
सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे
सर्वप्रियङ्करि
सर्वप्रियङ्करि सर्वप्रियङ्करि
सर्वमङ्गलकारिणि
सर्वमङ्गलकारिणि सर्वमङ्गलकारिणि.
So whatever you say is going to happen one day. Sarvasiddhi is true. This creates a responsibility on us. I need to speak always positive. We always tell in our classes, Sri Vidya classes, parent and child relationship, particularly the mother, if your child is not doing homework, in spite of your request, try to control or try to advise that child in any ways, but never ever curse him. If you don't study, you will beg in the streets. You will beg in the streets. Sankalpa made. That's it. If not in this Janma, if you believe in the Karma Siddhanta, of course, someday that Jiva will be found in streets begging. Everything, stands on belief only. Whether that happens or not, we are safe to believe in a myth. This is also a myth. I live tomorrow. There will be pravachan tomorrow. Is that not a myth? Will I be alive tomorrow? Well, I believe in the myth, which is good for me. In the same way, whether the Karma Siddhanta exists or not, if you believe in that myth, that will control our speech responsibility. Vak-suddhi creates Vak-siddhi, which is one form of Sarva-siddhi. We always recite, Asadhya sadhaka swamin asadhyam tava kim vada Ramadota kripa sindho matkaryam sadhaya prabho Asadhya sadhaka swamin. Hanuman was standing on the Parvata, about to cross the ocean. But he never believed that he has the strength to cross the ocean. 100 yojanas. But the moment he thought about Rama, his Guru, his God, everything for him, he got what is absolutely necessary for that moment, Atma Vishwasam, self-confidence. So, self-confidence also creates Sarva-siddhi. You have seen all the Para-Olympics very recently. If you have small injury in the leg, we believe, oh my God, I am not fit for walking. Well, how these people are swimming with just one leg? Asadhya sadhaka swamin asadhyam tava kim vada. Karya siddhi, sarva siddhi. Anything is possible. That is the sarva siddhi prade. That is why most important siddhi is control of indriyas. This avarana, we told it is connected to 5 indriyas, jnanendriyas and karmendriyas, right? They say, you can count the stars in the sky. You can get oil from the sand. You can get appreciation from an atheist king reciting Bhagavatam. Almost everything is impossible. Even that is possible, but control of senses is almost impossible. So the Sarva Siddhi Prada works primarily on control of senses. That is why it is non-transparent. It takes you towards the completeness silently. Who are Siddha Purushas? Siddha. Siddha means ready, complete. Ready for what? ready for realization. Not yet realized, ready for realization. There is no contamination. All the security checks have been done. So, Sarva Siddhi Prade moves you from the fate theory to the free will theory, moves you from dependency to self-confidence. This is the first energy, first devata working on you. And then Sarva Sampat Prade. Again the Sampat is coming. Well, the same Sampat, health, wealth, we discussed longevity. No, that is for that chakram. What is the Sarva Sampat? We are doing a retail business there. Each one individually identifying as Sampat. Wealth is a Sampat. Having a house is a Sampat. Getting married is a Sampat. No. You are going to realize that Sampat by having which you don't need to have any more Sampat. Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhim Dehi Me. Bhakti is Nischala Nirvikara Nirantara Bhakti. Bhakti is not connected to God only. Bhakti is towards the vritti also, the job you are doing. It should be steady, stable, nischala, not wavering. If it is connected to God, will God protect me? No question. You are already protected. You don't need to ask for protection. Nischala. Like Prahalada was having, like Markandeya was having. Have they got any doubt? No. God will protect. That is Nischala. Nirvikara. When you pray to God, I need you only, nothing else. Even if all the wealth comes in different form, Nidhi Chala Sukhama, Ramuni Sannidhi Chala Sukhama. It's okay, you can give me, but I need you only. Nirvikara. No materialistic desires attached to the bhakti. Nirantara. We go to the temple whenever we have an issue. We go to the temple whenever we have a festival, because Purana says on Vaikunta Ekadasi, if you go to temple and feed a cow, lots of punya will come. Okay, only one day you will go. No, Nirantara Bhakti, 24/7, 365 days, you are connected to the God. Bhakti, Jnana. Is it the Jnana, Sujnana, Vijnana? No, Prajnana. You start thinking, what is the purpose of my existence here? If I am not useful to myself, if I am not useful to the community in which I am living, there's something wrong in my approach. That kind of continuous vichakshana, questioning yourself, gives rise to paramarthika alaukika jnana, not connected with the external world. And then vairagya, vishesha raga. It's a continuous vairagya, not like smashana, prashuti, purana vairagyas. Continuous vairagya. Always in the blissful state. That is the sampat. And manonigraha is the greatest sampat. That means whatever comes in my life, all the while we are used to see only good results immediately after doing a puja, after doing a prayer, after doing some sadhana. Yes or no? In this case, whatever happens, this is a parallel track. My children, remember, spirituality is one track and materialistic life in another track. Don't try to connect them. This is happening because of your karmic. This is the capital for the next birth, if it is there, or to enjoy the bliss in this life. But we are trying to connect this. That is when we lose our manonigraha. What happens is, when the manonigraha, the control of mind, is lost, we don't enjoy what we have and we look outside. But all the sampat are behind us. Sampat Prade, she is already given. As I told you, family is a sampat. We are not orphans. Health is a sampat previously. Now, we are asking Mother, whenever we pray, we should say, Amma, you have given me enough sampat. Thank you for that. I cannot identify the sampat. That is my ignorance. You have already given me sampat. But please give me the higher sampat called Bhakti, Jnana, Vairagya. That is the Sarva Sampat which is obtained here.